For 144 years, one structure refused to be finished.
Only trained hands are allowed inside this living monument.
Every stone begins with the vision of Antoni Gaudí.
Beneath the sacred structure lies engineered precision. Strength begins with invisible skeletons of steel.
The earth is sealed with engineered permanence.
Even a sacred structure obeys geometry.
In that what cannot be seen supports everything above.
Each stone carries the weight of centuries.
From earth, the forest of stone begins to grow. Human hands build the skeleton of ambition.
Every movement is synchronized like a living machine.
Every sacred structure begins far from its final shape.
The city itself carries the weight of its future cathedral.
Steel and stone travel like blood through industrial arteries.
Even mountains are carved to make way for creation.
The journey always ends where faith turns into structure.
Confirmed. You may proceed.
Only precision movement enters the sacred work zone.
Each block is a piece of centuries made solid.
Order transforms chaos into architectural precision. Hands above the city shape its eternal silhouette.
What is heavy on earth becomes light in engineering.
Even gravity is negotiated with precision. The cathedral moves materials like a living body. Nature itself becomes part of the building process.
And so, the journey of stone becomes the rise of a legend.
In the heart of Barcelona, a building refuses to become finished. Only those chosen by precision enter this living structure.
Machines now stand taller than human ambition.
Every surface carries the language of eternity.
Outside becomes inside through continuous motion.
The structure grows like a breathing organism.
Precision turns weight into sacred geometry. Even emptiness becomes part of the design. Every level depends on the one beneath it. What is placed becomes permanently bound to history.
Even the smallest flaw is measured by machines. Work continues, even when the city sleeps. Every section builds the same future together. And now, the structure begins to feel alive.
Before becoming sacred form, even stone must be purified. Every grain of dust is erased by engineered force.
Roughness is removed to reveal structural truth. Dryness prepares strength for precise placement. Every shape finds its destined place. Human eyes still guard perfection. Imperfection is reshaped, not discarded. Precision defines what will stand for centuries. Even moisture is controlled for permanence.
Every block knows exactly where it belongs.
Order transforms material into architectural memory.
Nothing is wasted in a system built for eternity.
Approval is the final gate before creation. And now, preparation becomes transformation. Now, the cathedral begins to take its true shape. Each column becomes a living trunk of stone.
Even millimeters decide eternity.
Nature itself becomes engineering language. The building grows like a silent forest.
Arjuna?
Every force is measured before it becomes danger.
What stands without support is truly complete. Every connection strengthens the whole.
Even light becomes part of architecture.
Strength is proven through controlled pressure. Movement becomes choreography at industrial scale. Perfection is achieved through correction. The heart of the cathedral now stands alive. And now, human precision meets machine intelligence. The cathedral now builds itself with guided intelligence.
Every stone now knows its destination before it moves.
Human hands are now guided by perfect mechanics.
The entire cathedral is now visible as one living system.
Two separate forms become one permanent structure.
Even invisible forces are controlled within these walls.
What stands today prepares to rise higher tomorrow. Geometry becomes nature in stone form. Even stone learns to breathe with the climate.
Light is now engineered as part of the design.
Pressure becomes harmony when evenly shared.
Rough stone transforms into sacred surface. Every system now moves as one single organism.
And now, perfection begins its final shaping.
Now the cathedral is governed by a unified, intelligent system.
Every stone speaks in numbers of stability.
Machines now move like a single coordinated mind.
Light itself becomes a measuring tool of perfection.
Errors are corrected before they can exist.
Resources move where architecture demands.
The future is simulated before it is built.
Even the air is engineered for clarity.
Strength is distributed like living balance. Rough history becomes smooth permanence. Every part responds as one unified structure.
Safety is continuous, not reactive. What is built below prepares what rises above.
And now, perfection moves into its final refinement.
Now the cathedral enters its most delicate transformation. Every imperfection is erased with surgical precision.
Distinct. Meaning is carved directly into structure.
Even the smallest shift is corrected instantly. Separate pieces become one continuous form. Light becomes part of the architecture itself. Strength now carries the shine of perfection. Art becomes structural necessity. Perfection is confirmed across every axis.
Even color is balanced for eternal harmony.
The sky of stone finally closes above. Every connection is now permanently secured. Stone now holds light, like a sacred memory.
And now, perfection must be verified.
Before completion, even perfection must be proven.
Only what withstands pressure can support eternity. Even invisible flaws are exposed to truth. The cathedral is tested against forces of nature. Even climate cannot break its balance. Even silence is engineered inside these walls. Reality and design become indistinguishable. Time itself finds no weakness here. Connection points define lasting strength. The structure is now fully validated.
Human eyes confirm what machines already approved.
Beauty is measured in consistency of light.
The cathedral is officially verified. And now, perfection is ready to be revealed.
Before the world sees it, even silence must be cleaned.
What is finished must also be preserved.
Light is now tuned to perfection.
Nothing remains except what was meant to stay. After 144 years, the world is finally allowed inside.
Stone becomes alive under the sun.
A century of patience becomes a single moment.
The tools of creation now leave their creation behind. What was once a sight becomes a destination.
Humanity finally steps into its own patience.
Even silence feels built here.
A city grows around what once was unfinished. What took generations now stands as one moment in history.
And this is how patience becomes architecture, and architecture becomes eternity.